The future of compact construction equipment is now. Are you ready? According to GMI report, the compact construction equipment market worth over $43.5 billion in 2024, and it's growing fast at 5.2% CAGR through 2034, which is expected to hit $69.1 billion revenue by 2034. North America leads the way. However, Asia-Pacific is growing at the fastest rates. Countries like India, Philippines, Indonesia, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, and UAE are emerging in this market now. Want all the details? Click the link in the description for the full report.